Hello everyone. Today you're going to learn noun and its kind. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, animal, thing, and idea. Here are some kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and collective noun. Let us learn them in detail. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. For example, Ravi is a doctor. Here, the name of a person, Ravi, is a special name given, so it is proper noun. Common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing, like dog or city. For example, Kolkata is the city of joy. Here, city is common noun because there is no specific name given of the city, so city is common noun. Whereas if you see Kolkata, that becomes proper noun. Abstract noun. Here, abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen but it's there. For example, don't underestimate your own strength. So your strength is abstract noun that cannot be seen but you can feel strength within. That is abstract noun. Concrete noun. It is exact opposite of abstract noun. Here you can feel the existence. For example, she put the book on the table. So you can feel the existence of book and table by touching and seeing it. Next is countable noun. The noun that can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, the book has 200 pages in it. Here you can count book and pages, so it is countable noun. Uncountable noun. The nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, I need some drinking water. So here you cannot count water, so it is uncountable noun. Like milk also. Collective noun. It's a word for group of things, people or animals, like flock of birds, pile of books. Example here, the class went on a field trip. Here, class is a collective noun as it represents a group of students in the class. Here's a tip. Ask yourself, children, whenever a question pops up, you should ask yourself, is it a specific name, a general object, a feeling, or a group, or something uncountable? So you'll get the answer. Thank you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Sujata Teaches.